Okay, what I wanted to do was to give you a quick demo of the SHE ZenAI Omega Star core engine, which uses three algorithms, K, O, and Q star, to derive knowledge from wearable data or any other data source, to be honest. It's running on a Python server. I'll just do a quick refresh so you can see that things are working. There's no funnies going on. I'll put that in the middle a bit. Right, I press this. What it's done, it's run it through the three engines and then basically derived the information. And this serves two purposes. One, it tells you that your comfort level overall today on a scale of 1 to 1,000, currently right now at this particular time slice, is 353.93, which needs improvement. And also that local authority weight is then telling you, is then also a security measure, which is saying, hold it, why are you at this particular point, and a question to be asked. So that's part of this integrated OS type thing. Now below that, if I just go into here and zoom in, this gives you then a optical of the data that you've just received, or the knowledge changed from information into knowledge. And this is plotting the individual CIs of those particular data inputs. So what we've got is a mechanism that can measure, manage, and convey meaning through pretty much a single number if you understand the way that it is encoded. And that's pretty much how things work. So if we go back out again and I go back up here, at the same time as I was pushing that button, CIs or this is a time slice transaction. So just imagine this happening once an hour, once a minute, a microsecond. And this is what the power of those algorithms are, that they are modelless. So this is AI without the model, but it can use an LLM and has actually got a direct interface to be able to do that. But it's not using the LLM as a specific engine. It's its own modelless engine. So in here what we've done is we've taken that number at the top in this package, we've taken the local authority and added that to it and said this is what this transaction was at this particular point in time, encrypted it in a string and then decrypt it back into the package values, which gives me, as you can see, an extensive or different number to the one at the top because the other one's been rounded off. So what we can conclude from here, and I'll do it one more time, package changes, number changes, delivery of package. So what we could do, if we were doing that all the time very quickly, is we can actually get our own mechanism as a consensus mechanism. And what it's telling us is what we truly feel. And so what is the comfort index? The comfort index is really this mode of satisfaction that can be understood by a person and by a machine. And a machine better than a person. I'm into 50 dimensions now of sentiment. And that says that basically this is the intelligence that you can rely on. And the thing that's different between this and this modelless is this is decentralized AI. This is on a mobile. And there's a number of pieces that go together with it, but the idea is that it's hive mentality, so we can fix problems by interchanging knowledge, but doing it in a way that everybody feels safe. So I'm going to sign off on that part because I'm raving, and this is so deep, but it is so cool. Catch you later. Thanks for watching, and well, subscribe, I suppose. Bye.